What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Verasity and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure you join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it's been doing very well recently, hasn't it? We basically got this range, haven't we, that we always talk about. We formed on the 19th of May, we come all the way down to around, what is this, just under 1 cent. We come all the way back up to around, you know, that previous level of support flipped into resistance, around here. And we form our range to looking something like this, don't we? And basically what's happened is, you know, we've basically been in a massive downtrend. Big descending wedge as well, by the way, like pretty much every single altcoin on the market has been forming this big descending wedge kind of pattern, something like this, where we've just had, you know, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We come all the way down. We reach the bottom of our range again here. We have the fake out to the downside with Bitcoin going below 30k, as we've mentioned before. Basically, you know, the price action comes all the way down. Everyone thinks, oh, Bitcoin's below 30k, bear market. Everyone shorts the bottom. We have a little bit of a fake out to the downside. And then obviously that huge short squeeze for Bitcoin just absolutely exploded to the upside. A massive amount of, you would say, greed in the market just absolutely wrecked all the shorts. And as you can see, Verasity followed suit very nicely. Ever since we had the fake out to the downside here, we've actually come all the way up to around 4 cents and done, you know, around a 4x. Just over a 4x in price, which is absolutely insane. What is this? This is like we came all the way down to 0.75 of a cent, coming all the way up to 4 cents. That's almost a 5x in gains, which is absolutely insane. And a really nice bounce off the downside, isn't it? And you can see Verasity, it showed a lot of strength, hasn't it? It's actually, it came up and it was only down around 28% from that all-time high. It's currently down around 40% still from the all-time high, but looking really strong, as you can see on the chart. And it does look as though it seems quite likely, in our opinion, that Verasity, you know, it's holding support really nicely, isn't it? You can see it's been in this huge uptrend ever since here. We've got our range, obviously. We broke out the 20 here. Once we broke out of this resistance here, we broke out this, we broke out the 20. We come up to the 55. We consolidated really nicely for a week between these two EMAs, very bullish consolidation. Obviously, we ripped out the gates here, consolidated for another week in this area here, which is really good to see, isn't it? Because it's obvious that Verasity really needs to basically make some support and resistance on the way up and the way down. And you can see, ever since then, we've had another absolute rip, haven't we? We've absolutely blasted out of the range. We've come all the way up to 4 cents, this kind of level here. And then since then, we've had a bit of a rejection, haven't we? And we've come back down. And you know, a lot of cryptos over the past few days have been finding support on that 20 moving average. And it looks as though Verasity is doing something fairly similar here, although it hasn't touched it. It does seem as though, you know, our 20 moving average is coming up like this. We haven't even come back down and tested it as support yet, which just shows how much strength Verasity actually has. You can see we've come all the way up to 4 cents, come back down to find support at this previous level, in and around, you know, that previous range high resistance flipped into support again, somewhere around here. As you can see, it's looking really good, isn't it? Verasity is breaking out of all kinds of levels right now. It's coming back down. It's trying to find some support. We've obviously made this higher high. We just want to see us making this strong lower low and then coming up and making that next higher high. And I think if we do this, we're going to be seeing some very nice price action for Verasity. So it really is looking very good, isn't it? You look at this chart and you think this is, you know, absolutely primed for continuation, isn't it? Potentially a big cup and handle formation forming as well if we do see that higher high, higher low, and then that higher high absolutely blasting off into space. That'd be obviously very nice to see. We've seen a lot of cryptos doing something like this, where they've basically formed this massive cup, and now we're basically looking for that handle before the blast off. And obviously, if we do see Verasity breaking out this level, the only real resistance is that all-time high at around 5.5 cents. So short-term price predictions then, now we've established what's going on. You can see Verasity over the past few days having a very nice correction here, which we did need because we were blasting off like this. Nice to see ourselves consolidating. If we do roll over again, obviously I anticipate the 20 coming up something like this and proving to be very strong support, just like it has been for most altcoins. And if we do roll over from this, we've always got the 55 coming up something like this as well, where we could come back down. You make that high low on the 55 and then the bounce like that. But if we do start to pump up back to this level here and start to break out of this level at around 4 cents, then that 5.5 cent level would be our price target, because there's no resistance really, apart from maybe at around this 4.5, 5 cent level. A small amount of resistance there before heading up to that all-time high. So short term, things looking really good. And as we say, in the long term, Verasity we do think is a very, very top quality project. Probably going to do very well in this bull run. And if we just take a look at the fib retracement, the fib extension going into the remainder of the bull run here, we can see there are some very, very nice price targets that we're looking at. Obviously, we absolutely smashed the 227 extension on the previous run, so we don't need to tell you what happened there, but we do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is actually quite likely. We did get to 5.5 cents here, and we do think a 5 to 10x from this price, very, very achievable, taking us up to around 50 cents. But you can see we do have fib extensions up in the region of 70, 80 cents here, depending on how far up we do actually end up pumping. And obviously with Verasity, with the market cap being so low, if we get some really crazy fundamental news, we could be looking at a really nice pump. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.